Good morning, Bulldogs. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. You may be seated. Bulldogs, this week we are focused on the core value of closing the achievement gap and the Bulldog value of we are generous. We worked on this last week and we're going to continue this week. As we think about, we have 9 days of school left. Those 9 days of school are very, very important to our learning. So that way we can make sure, one, in K2 that we hit our end of year goals, and then in 3-5 that we're getting ready for the next grade. So let's make sure we continue learning because learning never stops. And then in terms of being generous, there's two things I want you to think about. One, let's continue helping our community stay clean and safe. And then the other thing I want you to think about is this idea of keep small things small. If you talk to me anytime that you've made a mistake or had a problem, I always like to say, let's keep our problem small and let's not make it bigger. And a lot of this for us happens when someone accidentally pushes you, someone accidentally takes something from you. We want to keep things small and let's make sure we use our words to help with that. And so let's say, excuse me, let's say, can I borrow, in order to really, really make sure that we can treat others the way we want to be treated. In this generosity piece, which leads us to, again, we are all about being nice. And if you have nothing nice to say, let's not say anything at all. This weekend, we had 3 people celebrate birthdays. Want to wish Daniel Ortiz, Emily Tovar, and Ricardo Padron a happy belated birthday. Hope you guys had it. Our Little Star testing continues this week with 1st and 2nd, and then 3rd and 4th. You're going to be a little later on this week. But with this, we want to give a huge congratulations to Miss Krenz, Miss Boyer, Miss Bach, Miss Arana for hitting their intervention goals for the year as teachers. They've worked so hard with students all week, and we still have more students left to test in intervention, which means we can have even more students hit the 2.0 goal. So excited for you all. So excited for the kiddos who have earned the game truck parties. And I was looking at some 1st and 2nd grade data last week. There are some kiddos who have already earned the silly string party. Let's keep pushing this week. Now, we have our final numbers from AR Zone. 5th grade, 1 above the goal. 3rd grade, demolishing their goal. 5th and 3rd grade, you guys have earned your incentives for AR. Now, 1st, 2nd, and 4th grade, I was so impressed with how much growth there was last week that Miss Jane is going to give you until Thursday to reach your goal. Yes, I'm going to extend the deadline because our parties are happening on Friday. I'm going to extend the deadline till Thursday. So you have until Thursday, 1st grade, to get 8 more students to goal, 2nd grade to get 5 more students to goal, and 4th grade to get 5 more students to goal. If we can make that happen this week, on Friday, you will also earn your incentive. Kindergarten through 2nd grade, remember we're working on 3 100% Mastery Awards to participate in the Pie Face Showdown. And then a quick reminder of all the fun things coming up. Today is Wear Your Favorite Shoes Day. Tomorrow is Western Wear. I want to see those cowboy boots, the big belt buckles, the cowboy hats. Tomorrow is Western Wear. Bring your spirit. Today I will be raffling off 2 bikes. 2 bikes for attendance. Please pay attention to the announcements around 3 o'clock this afternoon. I'll be coming over the announcements to let you know who are the winners of our 2 bikes. We do have award ceremonies that begin this week. Our game trucks and silly string parties are next week. Field day is also next week. We're going to have some moon bounces this week and next week. We'll have some dunk tanks this week and a dance party this week. A couple of quick announcements. Let's continue to show pride in the building. Remember our lunchroom expectations. You are in your seat, you throw away all your trash, and you respect all adults that are in there. Summer school letters should be continued to be returned to your homeroom teacher. Grade level chairs, we'll be following up with you about how to turn those in a little bit later. Reminder, no junk food or spinners on campus. It stays in your bag or they will be taken. Remember, If you think like a winner, you'll act like a winner. You will be a winner. Let's have a great Monday, Bulldogs. I'll see you around campus.